In YouCut, go down to the plus sign, tap on new project, select the video clip you want. Then down on the bottom left hand menu, click on the second one in, select your video clip that you want the music in, or voiceover, and click on the use down in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've selected your clip, here you can see the audio clip added above the timeline. So if you tap on it, you've got various options. Got fades in there, volume. You can trim, shorten the clip, so there I've just trimmed it. Once you've done that, you can listen to your audio clip. And you can adjust it how you want. You can shorten your video on the timeline if you want. Accidentally clicked on up there. So if you click the play button, you can watch the video playing in the playback window. Make your choices. Either have fades in, fades out. You can do things like that. Shorten the video clip with your finger. Here we're going back and watching the video. Here you can see me adjusting the fade outs. So please like and subscribe if you found value in this video.